Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Buzz Cooks, another episode that is. And we're doing the best potatoes I've ever made. These are amazing. What you're gonna need about 2 pounds. I got three large russet potatoes that we washed, keeping the skin on. And now we're just poking holes before we put them in the oven at 350 to bake. We're gonna put these in the oven for about an hour and a half, or until the potatoes are tender with a sharp knife. If you put through the middle, it comes in and out easy, then you know they're ready. So once they're ready, we're going to take them out of the oven. We're going to put them on a rack, and we're going to let those cool for at least 3 to 4 hours. You want them so cool that you can do this. That's right. We're going to use our hands and tear pieces of the potato and put into a bowl. Nice size pieces, just like that. Just tear, rip, put in the bowl. Now, once we have all our potatoes torn, we've got about 3 inches of, maybe 4 inches of vegetable oil heating in our Dutch oven. We want to get that up to about 375. Then we're going to gently put all those torn potatoes into that hot oil. And we're going to fry that for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are super crispy and golden. And while those are frying up, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. And once they are that crispy golden just like that, we're going to use a spider and gently remove them from the oil onto paper towel to drain. Hit them with a little bit of kosher salt and serve with some spicy ketchup. I'm telling you, these potatoes are amazing. You get a combination of a home fry and a potato chip at the same time. They're crispy, yet soft and tender in the middle. All right, thanks for watching and come back soon.